all of you. So today I will discuss about that is electricity. And your topic is the basic electrical parameters and component like voltage and current. Okay, so today I will be discussing about this voltage and current. Okay, now so when you go for these basic parameters like voltage and current, then first we have to know what is voltage, okay, or what is potential. So voltage can be written as a voltage, also it is called as a potential. So what is potential? Suppose I am considering they are having a two charges, they are having a 2 point. I am considering this one is a charged, this one also another charge, or these are two particles, or these are two component. Okay, now when these two particles, suppose I am considering this one is positively charged and this one is negatively charged. So what will be the basic tendency of these two quantities? The basic tendency of these two quantities always, their tendency always will be attached with each other. Okay, means they are always try to do attached with each other so that it would be neutralized. Now means now I'm considering these two quantities are now neutralized. Okay, now if we want to detach any one particle from other, then what we'll have to do? Then we'll have to give some force to any other direction to make a difference, to make a distance. Okay, so in that case, suppose I am bringing this particle from this point to this point. So in that case, we'll give some force. That force is basically potential. So if I go for the definition of potential, then what you will say? In that case, the required work done from bringing the particle from one point to another point. Okay, so what is the definition? The required work done for bringing one particle from one point to another point, that is called potential. So is it clear? That is potential. So now we'll go for potential difference. Next I will discuss about the potential difference. So what is potential difference? Potential difference, I would say, suppose this one is a glass, this one is a glass, this one is another glass. Clear? Now what I will do, in between they are having a pipe, and over the pipe they are having a tap system. Okay, now initially this tap is under off condition. Okay, initially the tap is off condition, and now I am adding here some water. Okay, and fulfill this glass by water. Okay, but already I have said initially this tap is off. Okay, and the water is fulfilled, okay, in this glass. Now when this tap will open, then what will happen? In that case the water will tends to flow in this glass. In that case what will happen? In that case the water level of this glass, which is I'm considering glass 1 and glass 2, in that case the glass 1 water level will be decreased and the water level in that glass, means glass number 2, will be increased. So what we can conclude, it yields that water or any water is flowing from higher potential to lower potential. Means when this glass was fulfilled by water and when this glass was empty, at that time when we are turning on the tap, at that time we do not provide any force, we don't need to provide any force, automatically force difference has been created, and in that case automatically water is flowing from first glass to second glass. So in this manner we can conclude what is current. Okay. Similarly, if I entire arrangement, this arrangement, if I plot in a circuit, then what? Wait. Now entire this arrangement, I plot this entire arrangement in this circuit. Suppose this one is plus and this one is minus, voltage is given here, accordingly current is flow. So when voltage is given, means when plus and minus, already I have said this one is plus, this one is minus. Similarly, this one is higher potential, this one is lower potential, this one is higher potential, this one is lower potential. This higher potential is called as a plus, lower potential is called as a minus. So current will always flow from higher potential to lower potential. Okay. So if this one is plus, this one is minus, then water flow is passing from glass 1 to glass 2. So same thing will be happen for this circuit, for this electrical circuit. In that case, I am considering this one is plus and this one is minus. So obviously in that case what will happen? In that case what will happen? In that case current will flow from higher potential to lower potential in this manner. Clear? So that is a current. So when potential difference is being created, in that case current will appear. Okay. That can be explained by Ohm's law, which is very important law, in electrical domain. Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that this one is a current carrying conductor and this one is a resistor. What is resistor? I will explain it later. So when suppose this is a point and this one is a point and current is flowing in this direction, and I am considering this one is plus and this one is minus. Okay. So Ohm's law, first of all, Ohm's law says that V proportional to I, means voltage is directly proportional to I, means if you are increasing this voltage, in that case current also will be increased. If you decrease the voltage, then current also will be decreased. Now what will happen in that case? Now Ohm's law basically said that the potential difference of any current carrying conductor is directly proportional to its current when resistance is constant. So V proportional to I, that can be said as a V equal to IR, where R is constant. R is nothing but, that is resistance. The function of resistance is nothing but it restricts the current in a particular value in electrical circuit. Okay. So just to limit the current, we are using the resistor. Okay. So that is Ohm's law. So if this polarity so from this equation we can say I equal to V by R. So here what is V? What is voltage? Here V is nothing but, here V is a potential difference between this plus and minus. So if I write it VA, small v, this small VB. So in next line I can write it as a VA minus VB by R. So here VA is higher potential and VB is lower potential. So that is Ohm's law. This one also is same. So is it clear what is voltage and what is current? So when only potential, when we will discuss about only potential, then current will not be appeared. But when we are discussing about potential difference between high potential, low potential, in that case, in that particular case, current will automatically flow in the circuit. Okay, this much clear, I think. So I think this is enough for today. Thank you very much.